Bring it up! All the way!
Dad, you can't keep spending money on junk.
I can break it down, strip it for parts.
This stuff is what's gonna put you through college. Something in here needs to make this family some money.
Developed for Atari Incorporated by Program Design Incorporated.
Come on, you old wreck. Judgment Day. What the hell happened to you?
Look, this is not normal steel.
I think we just found a transformer.
Dad!
I'm gonna ask you this once. Where is Optimus Prime? A new era has begun. The age of the Transformers is over.
Don't you get it? We don't need you anymore.
Lesson 1. This is an invitation to programming. This series is designed to teach you how to make the Atari computer do things for you. You don't have to know a thing about computers to use this series.